Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Ben Yusuf believes goalkeeper Brandon Peterson is on the verge of forcing his way back into the Bafana Bafana setup. Following a series of commanding performances that have reignited his career, the 31-year-old shortstopper has been a pillar of stability for Amakosi this season, displaying composure, maturity and leadership that have solidified the club's defense through a demanding stretch of fixtures both in the Betway Premiership and on the continental stage. Recently appointed club captain, Peterson has kept 9 clean sheets in all competitions, a testament to his consistency and renewed confidence. His sharp reflexes and calm presence have been key to Chiefs' recent resurgence under Ben Yusuf and his co-coach Cedric Case, as the team continues to build momentum. Peterson's resurgence has not gone unnoticed. With the Africa Cup of Nations set to take place in Morocco between December and January, his name is once again being whispered among those deserving of a national team recall. Speaking after Chiefs had fought 1-0 victory over Durban City at Moses Mabhida Stadium on Friday, Ben Yusuf praised Peterson's professionalism and hunger to keep improving, and said, "I think every game we say congratulations to Peterson and the goalkeeper coach for the good job they're doing. His target is clear, to return to Bafana Bafana and be part of the national team. That's his focus." The Tunisian tactician went on to highlight Peterson's mental fortitude as a defining factor behind his impressive form, and said he needs to keep pushing and put pressure on the national team coach. If he continues like this, he deserves to be part of the squad for the AFCON. Having last represented South Africa in 2022, Peterson has since evolved into one of the most dependable goalkeepers in the domestic league. While competition from younger talents remains fierce, his response has been that of a seasoned professional, combining discipline, leadership, and consistency to guide Chiefs toward one of the league's strongest defensive records. Beyond his on-field heroics, Peterson has also become a mentor figure for the younger players in Amakosi's evolving backline, offering reassurance and structure from the back. For Ben Yusuf, Peterson's story is one of resilience and reinvention, a player who refused to be defined by setbacks and instead chose to let his performances speak for him. And that Brandon's journey shows that football rewards persistence and hard work. He's proven that reputation alone doesn't earn you a place. Performances do. As Suko Bros prepares to finalize his squad for AFCON, Peterson's form may be impossible to overlook, and if current trends continue, South Africa's #1 debate could soon have a familiar name back in the mix. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.